No, that's a brown. It's a nice brown. Okay. Good way to start off the morning. I love catching a good brown. Let's try and get him. Wow, look at that. Look at that brown. That is a beautiful little brown. Fish. Don't you flip. Easy now. Easy now. Don't you flip. Okay. That's a pretty good brown right there, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Look at those red spots. Nice fish. There he goes. Get to him when I first felt him. That's a pretty big brown. Dude, they're all beautiful too. I just love the look of a brown trout. Just predators. There he goes. The brownie. Oh boy. This one's been caught before. You guys see that? Missing an eye. Like his eye is completely gone on that side. There's his good eye. Somebody hooked him right in the eye. He's still out here just crushing stuff though. That just shows you